I'm going to get started with the header component. Both this and the footer are pretty simple components. It's just mainly a case of adding some Bootstrap elements to start populating our website. So now let's go over to the Visual Studio Code text editor, and I'm going to start in the header.vue. So I'm going to add our template. And then within the template, I'm going to add the HTML5 header tag. The header is going to have a class of row, and this is a Bootstrap class. Within here, we can add our navigation section. This nav section, I'm going to add some classes to this. First of all, of navbar, then navbar hyphen toggleable dash md, and then finally navbar light. Inside here, we can add our links. First of all, with the A tags, with a class of navbar brand. This is going to be for our site title of Pizza Planet. So let's add the href with the / to link to the home page. The text of Pizza Planet. And then let's close this A tag off. Now, still within this nav section, I'm going to add an unordered list to create our links for our top navigation bar. So the UL opening and closing tag, and then add some styling with the classes of navbar nav. This will give us a nice looking navbar by using the Bootstrap classes. Then our list items, these are going to have a class equal to nav item. So nav hyphen item, then close this off. So we're getting there now. So now we can add our links. So let's add the A tags within the li. Some further Bootstrap classes of nav link. Okay, so now our first link is going to be to the home. And I'm going to add the href as an attribute inside of here too, but just leave this empty for now. Then we need a second list item. So I'm going to copy this one and then paste it in. So we've got the same Bootstrap classes, but this one is going to link to our menu. Okay, good. So that's our template now completed. So we don't need any of these script or style tags just for now. So the header is just going to consist of the template until we need to add to it. The footer has similarities to this header. So let's copy the header and paste it inside the footer file to save us typing out all these classes again. So copy this and then paste inside the footer. So the first thing we need to do is change the header element to be footer. Also down at the bottom too. Then we can add an extra menu link. Just below the menu, we can add our third one in. And this is going to be our link to the admin section of the website. This is going to allow us to do things such as checking for any orders and also adding and removing pizzas from the menu. And of course, in the footer, we don't need this site title link. So I'm going to also remove this A element and then save. So that's also our footer now completed. We'll come back to these components when we add front-end routing to our app. But for now, let's move on to the home page where we can import these components and display them on the screen.